Wolves do not need words to understand one another. In the frozen silence of winter, a pack can move as if guided by a single mind. No signals shouted, no commands spoken, only awareness shared between them. Before the hunt begins, they wait and observe. Ears forward, bodies still, eyes fixed on the herd below. Patience is their first strategy. Every subtle movement carries meaning. A shift in posture, a slow step forward, a steady gaze held for 1 second longer than usual. To us, it seems small. To them, it is clear direction. They study the herd carefully. Wolves do not waste energy. They look for weakness. An animal slightly separated, slower to react, struggling to keep pace. Selection happens without discussion. Once the decision is made, the formation begins. The pack spreads naturally, each wolf drifting into position as if following an invisible pattern drawn across the snow. Some move to the flanks, others remain behind the herd. One holds the center. No wolf collides, no wolf hesitates. Distance between them is precise and deliberate. Then the descent begins. Powerful legs drive through snow. The herd erupts in panic, scattering in every direction. But the wolves remain controlled. They are not chasing blindly, they are guiding movement. Pressure from behind forces the herd forward. A wide runner blocks escape from the side. When the prey turns, a wolf is already there. When it slows, another closes the gap. The formation adjusts in real time, flowing like water around obstacles. Even at full speed, they remain aware of one another. A slight turn of the head signals change. A sudden acceleration calls for support. No sound is needed. Young wolves learn through repetition. They watch older pack members carefully, memorizing spacing, timing, and restraint. Every hunt becomes a lesson. Trust binds the pack together. Each wolf depends on the others to hold their position, to maintain pressure, to stay committed until the final moment. Fatigue begins to show in the chosen target. Its breathing grows heavier. Its movements lose precision. The wolves sense it instantly. The formation tightens. Gaps close. Energy becomes focused on a single outcome. Coordination sharpens in the final seconds. And then, just as quickly as it began, the movement slows. The struggle ends. Silence returns to the frozen valley. There is no celebration, only survival. Wolves remind us that communication is more than sound. It lives in awareness, in shared intention, in trust built over time. In the wild, the strongest voice is often the one never spoken.